Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make shortbread biscuits. They're amazing, super easy, super quick, and always come out right. Soften 125 grams of butter or margarine in a microwave. Whisk this until smooth. Add 25 grams of icing sugar and whisk once more. When the mixture turns glossy, it's ready. Sift in 190 grams of plain flour. Add a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder, a splash of vanilla extract, and mix once more. This is the consistency that you want. Flour a clean countertop as well as your hands. Squeeze handful amounts of the dough firmly. Now roll this out with a rolling pin. You want it to be as thick as the handle of a knife. That's the hard part done. Now get your favourite shapes and use these to cut out your biscuits. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Put your biscuits in the middle and set the timer to 13 minutes. Once they're ready, they should look something like this. You can cover these in cocoa powder or icing sugar, or just eat them like this. Thank you for watching. For more cooking videos, subscribe below.